Are you sick of spending hundreds or even thousands of dollars on expensive content? Wasting countless hours writing content yourself? Using tools that create content that look like machine-written gibberish? I'm here to tell you that there's a way to get unlimited high-quality content with the push of a button. When I say high quality, I'm not talking about the automated content you look at and go, well, maybe a drunk toddler might think this looks good. I'm talking about the type of content that you, your clients, and even Google can look at and think, wow, this is actually pretty good. Article Forge may be a machine, but the content it writes doesn't look like it. That's because it uses deep learning, a revolutionary new branch of artificial intelligence used by companies like Microsoft and Google, and even used for things like deepfakes. But right now, I think the thing you care about most is, what does this deep learning content actually look like? So I'm going to show you a live demonstration, where you can see the content Article Forge generates and judge it for yourself. So, I'm in Article Forge right now. I'm going to enter the keyword I want Article Forge to write about, in this case, Bitcoins. I want this article to talk about some of the advantages and disadvantages of Bitcoin, so I'll enter both as sub-keywords. You can, of course, leave sub-keywords blank, but it often helps Article Forge know more about what you want to write about. So now Article Forge has finished writing the article. I bet you thought there was going to be more work than that. So now, here's the article page, and here's our article. I purposely did a short article so I wouldn't have to bore you with reading the whole thing. Bitcoin is the hottest thing in the world of money today. It's a virtual currency that has captured the attention of so many people who are very interested to know more about it, etc., etc. And after that first paragraph, you can see the second paragraph goes over some advantages of Bitcoin, such as the low cost of transaction fees, how you can make money mining, and how you can do it all online. In the third paragraph, it goes over some of the disadvantages of Bitcoin, such as the speed at which new Bitcoins are created, and even the possibility of losing all of your Bitcoins. So in short, Article Forge wrote a high-quality and completely unique article about exactly what we wanted it to write about, and the whole process took less than a minute. So you can read it more carefully, I have posted a full copy of this article further down the page, along with several more articles created by Article Forge. That way, you can read them, and you can judge the quality for yourself. So earlier, I mentioned how this deep learning technology we use is the exact same that Google uses. More specifically, this is the technology Google uses to judge the quality of content. This is important because this means Article Forge and Google are trained on the exact same algorithms, in many cases written by the exact same researchers. So this means Google is actually trained to love Article Forge content. So at this point, you might be thinking about how Article Forge is going to dramatically change your business, how it is going to let you publish more content, rank higher, and make more money. But you also might still be a little skeptical. I understand what I showed you seems incredible, maybe even unbelievable, so I want to let you try Article Forge yourself with absolutely no risk. So you can sign up for Article Forge with our free 5-day trial. If you try Article Forge and decide it isn't right for you, you won't have to pay us a single cent. We are doing this because I know this content is so good that when you see your first article, you'll be so amazed that you'll become a customer for life. So click on the Try It Free button and start taking your content to new heights.